In the overnight, crude oil has shot up $10 a barrel, okay? $109 because the president said that, well, pretty much they're on their own. Now, what I've been doing all night, oh, I love it. Look at this, 11%. I'm up $2,000 on the markets. Didn't even open yet. Okay, here's the markets. Everything is red. I have oil, 7x. I have about $10,000 in this. I'm already up 12%. And then when the SPY opens, okay, and the Q's open, I have money in there short, 10x on the SPY and 10x on the Q. Now, if you want to learn about this, in the description box of this video today, I'm going to drop some links. Even if you never traded crypto before, this is so easy. It's really hard to see on your phone. Oh, did you know if you like a video on your phone, a hype thing comes up and you could go and hype me? I don't know what it does. It doesn't cost you anything. Click show more. I'm going to enlarge this for you. I'm going to be cleaning this up soon. But this first exchange, BITUNIX, is open to everyone. Most people use a VPN for security. Okay? I like to set mine to Ireland. If you use a VPN, you will see on this crypto leverage exchange, oil, SPY, QQQ. Now, I'm going to talk about some other things, but you use USDT, Ethereum based. You deposit it here, okay? Oh, look at my balance going up. You deposit it, and the withdrawals are instant. Look at oil going. Look at oil going. 10% change. I can't believe it. The other day, oh, I was loaded up with USO. So let's see where we are. Should we close and take this profit and reload 12%? This is where I am right now. Okay, this is oil. This is where we are. I'm just chilling. Okay, up $1,700. The market didn't even open yet. I'm only up $1,700. You know why? Because they only let me put a certain amount of money in there. They cap how much you can do this with. You need the link to BITUNIX below. You need to sign up. All you need is an email address and a password. Okay, you can get yourself a free Exodus wallet like this one. Okay, and you can send Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, get USDT Ethereum. Send it from any one of the exchanges to yourself, and then deposit it to Tuna, BITUNIX. These are instant withdrawals as well. Right now, I'm up $1,900. Hold on. I want to see what it is. I'm up $1,900. Oh, it's a holy day. Tomorrow, the markets are closed. So, these things are open 24 hours. I can't imagine what's going to happen to QQQ short and the SPY short. Take a look at markets. So last night I was watching the president. He did exactly what I said. He opened up with the moon. And then he said, you know what? We're going to blow Iran to the moon. The Strait of Hormuz is not our mission. It's yours. Have fun with it. And well, everything just went to hell. So last night I did a little trade here. 9%. This was different entry. My entry was at 106. Then I went in again. Okay. Another $1,600. Well, you all sleeping. Okay. My entry was at 107.35. Well, jiggly tits the coach. The coach is talking about his weight loss, but he's exploding. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh, so this is fun. This is how you have a good time. Now, yesterday, I told people in my private group.
The Oracle said, I would guess that the president is going to say in a congratulatory way that our work has been done, we have decimated Iran, and then he's going to talk about the Strait of Hormuz, and it will probably be a European-led coalition, and we will gracefully back out as the heroes and let them clean up the best. I would bet in some way we would offer our assistance to the coalition, but we will no longer be leading the war effort. This will frame us as the heroes, the good guys, and extricate us from the position which is very messy. These are my thoughts.
Epic, 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 epic. So, we've gone over everything, and we are leverage trading oil profits instantly. Okay? Now, if you don't know what to do with USDT Tether. You don't know where to get it. You don't know anything. Today, I will leave a link for my crypto trading educational Discord below the video. It will be free. I never leave it under one of these videos. I invite you to my ETF videos. But I'm going to take you here because they've added stocks as well. And earnings are coming. BITUNIX, which we refer to as tuna, okay? BITUNIX, tuna, has all of these stocks with leverage. They all have earnings coming up. Explosive moves. Boom, boom, boom. I don't like those big spaces. But boom, MicroStrategy, PayPal, coin. Anyway, so yeah. All right, so if you want to check this out, it's an easy way to make money. It's an easy way to lose money. Nothing's promised. But the power of leverage in a different way. Tokenized. The future. The velocity of money. I'm up $1,700 before the market opens. Should I even take it? I should take it, right? How do you take it? Watch this. Flash close. It's mine. Boom. Just like that. Just like that. Crazy shit. Oh, look at that. We're starting to go down for a minute. Don't worry. I'm going to buy it again. You want to see how easy it is to buy it? I'm going to give it a minute. Let's see if we go below 109. But I doubt it. You know why? They're in trouble now, okay? Because the U.S. don't care. We have our own oil. Let's check the metals. Silver, the sucker's gold, $71. I remember running this up to 100, and that was it. All right? Now you can wait another 30 years. I know you're not going to like this, you metalheads, okay? But here's the truth. It's all stories. This is really the Wolf of Wall Street. It's all stories. Stories sell. Every ETF is an idea, a story that a fund manager has. Whoa, we're going to do a straddle with upside down reverse put. Okay? Silver. When silver was going to 100, you know what everybody was saying? It's because of all the electric cars, the batteries, the solar, the data centers, everything. You hear idiots like Eugen, who thinks he's on CNBC. He drools over them. He guns over them. You know what I mean? Okay? Anyway, so I don't care about CNBC. To me, that means criminals needing Bitcoin. So now, damn, oil's going higher. Look at that. You know, the market's going to open, right? Let's see. Will they let me put 4,000 at one time? Yeah. Let's do another 4,000. Yeah. Let's do all of it. No, we'll save the rest for a little later. Now let's take some time to roast and bake. Okay, so let's take a look over at the Strait of Hormuz. Actually, let me tell you something even better. Okay? There's a new fund coming out. Oh, today. Decline your shit. Right from Round Hill. It's called DRAM. D-R-A-M. Like ass monkey. DRAM. Makes me think of Rod, who don't make many videos anymore. He's in the Where Are They Now series. He makes the one that he gets paid for every week, the Rex. You know, it's paid promotion. He always says it. How could you not know? He says, this is paid for by Rex, so my opinions are going to be slanted towards Rex shares, or Granite shares, one of them. But this is Round Hill. Now, what's in here? Oh, my God, shit that I like. Hold on. We have a high-yield commercial here. Has anyone seen Alex, 9 to 5 Freedom, crusher of dreams? The man who single-handedly destroyed Alt-DW, pay fund after fund with his bad luck, rabbit's foot touch. We don't know where Alex is. Okay, we have no idea. He could be here. He could have moved to Camille Land. He could be in Vegas rubbing one out with the little man. We don't know. But Alex is gone. The other one, I don't know what his name was. Steve-O Chango. Steve-O, SoCal Steve-O. Remember, he used to come out and so kindly read us all the yield max results. Not only has he vanished, but he took down all his videos except the last one on yield max. So strange. The things that make you go, What about the other ass bag that came out of the ass of Retire on Dividends? You don't know who? You don't remember? Wait, before I get to him, okay? if you need to buy crypto, you can buy crypto at crypto.com, and you can buy crypto at Gemini. Gemini also offers a great credit card that you don't have to buy any crypto. It's a regular credit card, but you could get your rewards in crypto. Imagine that cash back with 10%, 1%, whatever it is, right? And you could choose what kind of crypto. Now, you don't want Bitcoin, because your cash back is never going to be a whole Bitcoin. Your cash back is never going to be a whole Ethereum. You want to select Solana. It's like a ghetto Ethereum. It has hope, but it's like $80. So when you get your stupid little cash back rewards from charging you off your OnlyFans or whatever you're doing, right? You earn Solana. A shit token that one day has a chance. So I got to clean up. There's too many exchanges here. Okay, I'm going to get rid of some. So BITUNIX is the one that offers all the stock and everything. Let's check the markets. Pre-market, oh, we're down hardcore. Now, have you seen my last video? So here you got all the links. I would get into the Oracle Discord for crypto trading education. Okay, because you got to learn what to do. Let's put the rest in oil, man. $8,000. Will they take that? No, they want me to break it up. They want me to psyop them. Look. 2. Now, how can I lose my money? I'm so glad you asked. Well, you're going to have a liquidation price. Okay, hold on. Let's go down here. All right, liquidation. Oil has to drop to $99 from $109 for me to lose my money. And I could also take some money from here and put it over here and increase that. Now oil has to go to 98.57. Trump already spoke. He already came out and said, good luck. So they're going to make a coalition. They're going to make a coalition. It's like some of these dumbass YouTubers. And wait till the market opens. This oil just went to 110 live in real time. You know what's going to go nuts? Oh, I didn't finish telling you about this. I like this. I would like to buy this, but not today. It's new from Round Hill. DRAM. Kind of ass. Like every time I say ass, it reminds me of retire on dividends. Okay? Why? Because he's an ass of high yield, an ass yield. Okay? The DRAM fact sheet. Go read it. I don't work for this fund. I'm not telling you nothing. The AUM is spit, right? Okay. We got SJ Hynix. Reminds me of the Hyman, okay, of memory. Hynix. It's hard to buy. This is South Korean pussy. Okay? Then you got Samsung. Again, big competitor to who? SanDisk. SNDK. Oh, the monsters. They go from $577 to $777 in 2 days. They go back and forth in this range. Okay, Seagate, you know them. Okay, it's like Western Digital, hard drives and all that. Western Digital's here too, you know them. All right? I don't know Yanana, and I don't know Windbound Electronics, but what I like about this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like 9 pieces. 9 pieces in a very distinct niche. So this is interesting. It's going to open to a bloodbath today. Welcome to the Strait of Hormuz. We need a tampon for today. All right, so I'm going to put some special links under the video today to help everybody. Let's go to the assholes of yield. Remember Dividend Daddy?
Waiting to buy Ulti doesn't help. If you miss your first distribution, it could cost you 10 cents in cost basis.
But we're not here for him. We're here for this guy. This guy, okay? This guy. He had his fame with the Yield Max and everything, right? He was interviewing them. He was a real douchebag. He was created. He gave up. He's gone. No more videos. It's over. It's over. It's over. The last thing he did was 3 weeks ago. Views have gone down. The Yield Max bubble popped on him. He started off with this ulti crap, then tried to go multinational with the rec shares and all of this, right? And this guy was just so into this crap. He'd always be exhausted. I'm glad he's gone.
Welcome back to the ETF Inspector. It's Friday, December.
He'd be tired.
Brutal.
Yeah.
Obviously, today's not a week of
every day was brutal.
For just a minute. Now it's
But
associated.
He didn't make no money. He didn't make no money. That's what he got into this for, to make money. Not from the heart to make videos, none of that. Oh my God, the cash register's going bring, bring. Look at the oil go, another $500. Okay, we're going 109. There we go, there we go, there we go now. All right, so let's get back. Everything is red. Okay, now people on margin, I feel for you. You're going to get double bitten. The Khmer is going to get the kamush. Oil at 110. I knew this from yesterday. But you know, I didn't know what the president was going to say. But as soon as I seen him start speaking, I was like, oh my God. Oh my God, this is going to be crazy. For those of you that don't know, let me explain to you. Okay, right here, this is our most important choke point for oil. All of these are oil tankers. This is sped up, right? Nobody's going through because Iran is shooting drones and spit bombs and everything. So the oil can't get through.
Iran is dealing a devastating blow to Iraq's economy. Iraq depended on access to that strait in order to export the majority.
But yeah, so everybody's having problems because of this one narrow choke point. Anyway, so on this exchange, you could do Bitcoin and all that. So if you come over here, right? Let me show you. You got all your under here. You got all Bitcoin, ETH, all these altcoins. But here, TradeFi gives you all of these stocks and gold, oil, and silver with leverage. Stocks, you got everything. And then indices, you got everything. Oh my gosh. We are printing again. This is $700 and something here. Okay, 7. You don't need high percentages. And I've gone in and out, and I've been doing this all night while you're all jerking off, waiting for the market to open, saying, oh my God, what's going to happen to my portfolio? Wait till these two, SPY and this other one open. I know you all want to get in on this. You got to get into my crypto Discord to learn, okay? I mean, it's not really crypto trading. I mean, if you think oil's going to go up, you just press the green button, okay? If you think it's going to go down, you press the red button. Couldn't be easier than that. But we've closed off this trade, and we said our job is done. We went there, we softened them. Look at this. This is the president's speech. Okay, this is a one-day chart. Okay, if you had bought USO yesterday, if I had it, oh my God, look at this. Wow. Let's check the pre-market. I'm going to be looking at DRAM, but I don't know today. Think about it. Today is your expanded morning show. Today, okay, is the market's closed. It's the last day. We are at war. All we are going to have, you are going to be at the mercy of the media news cycle and whatever happens over the weekend for the next 3 days. I advise everyone to take shelter. Take shelter. The oil is going up again, another $800. How we doing? Okay, we're moving. It's called a floating wallet. Look at that oil go. Be wet. I'm hearing YouTubers talk about this. They're following me, especially that emasculated douchebag Eugen, who got kicked out of my Discord a year ago for stealing all my fucking content. And now he said that one of his supporters brought this up 735% in 6 months. This is oil tanker fear. Oil tanker fear. In 1 month it's up 58%, but 6 months. When did you ever see an ETF up 735%? Now, will it continue? It will continue as long as there is fear in the strait. As soon as you hear peace deal and everything, now you got these Europeans, they're trying to get some ships together, make a coalition. They're like, holy shit, we got to fight now. We can't stand behind the United States anymore. And yeah, we're going to pull out of NATO. Okay? As if we just came. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? It's a double entendre here. Think about it. You know how you feel. Right? You just don't want to be bothered no more. So you pull out. So we pulled out of NATO. We're at least talking about it. Oh God, we're over 110. Accelerating. Well, the markets are closed. Nobody even knows. $750, just sitting here racking up the money. Slowly. You want to make fun of more YouTubers. I know how you are. Degenerate. But the ETF inspector is gone. Gone.
Right,
Kung Pao wouldn't come on my show. I got an email from them. Here he is. Bald douchebag. Bald beta bearded bitch. That's what I called him. He was always such a sissy. I'm glad he gave up. He blocked me from his comments. Everybody does.
ETF inspector, and this is actually the first time any of you guys have actually seen my face on a video. And I am joined here today with Mr. Michael Coe from Yield Max or Title Financial Group. So, Mike, I just wanted to...
You know what, ETF inspector? Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. You know what? Give me my $700 here, too. I don't have time to mess around with all this. Wait till the market's open. Oh, it's going to be glorious. So when you hear other YouTubers telling you about Be Wet, okay, know that they're simping on me. They're simping on me. Okay? So, yeah, let's see if I got out of oil. Let's see. Not that happy yet. Wait till tomorrow. I'm going to get back in. Got out here because that little red line, see, it only goes up and down. Okay? Just everything I teach people. You want to see? So this is my crypto Discord. This has been here for years. You'll land in the non-trading room. Come in and say, hey, I'm new to crypto. Where can I get it? Where do I buy it? If I was you, I would not buy it from Robinhood. Okay? If Bitcoin is $65,000 right now, they'll charge you at a rate of $67,000. So you're always behind, even when you're doing your daily buys and everything. Where would I buy it from? I have the links below for Gemini. You could do dollar cost average, pay every day, or whatever the hell you want. You could be like Kamir, okay? Dollar cost average a little bit. And there's also crypto.com. And they're not complicated, they're just apps. You could take the crypto off, you could send it around, you could masturbate in the mirror with your crypto, everything. But I would not go to Robinhood. Don't buy it on Robinhood. Let's see. Good thing I got out. Good thing I got out. Look at that. She's going down like a hooker on a holiday, but that little tail means it's going to go back up. Okay? So this is how it works. So again, just to wrap up the show, I'm interested in this. Okay, DRAM. They all have earnings coming up. Let me tell you. I got a group. It's linked below. The Apex Collective. We're assassins, okay, on earnings plays. The velocity of money. That's not crypto. Click below. You'll see the Apex Collective. Let's pull it up. OMAX. ETFs. The Apex Collective. Okay. It costs not cheap. I'm going to raise it. It's $3,000. Okay, for the year. You pay up front. There's no Patreon. There's no memberships. This is real. You want to come in and make money with me? In my ETF Discord, there's some private rooms that we're in. You'll see the people in gold that are collective members. Oh, and we are strategists. Look at this. Look at this. Did I not execute the perfect maneuver? Just take the money from them. Let's make fun of more YouTubers. So this guy was a fail. I'm glad. Good riddance. Be gone with yourself.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the LFGY Yield Max Fund informational channel.
He didn't last long at all. What this schmuck did was he made an entire channel to this fund that got destroyed. And then he got destroyed. Gone. Poof! Hasn't made a video in a year. By the great departure. Tell you, am I not good or am I not good? Look at this shit. It was 110 when I sold. I took the money. Look at this shit. Look at this shit go. Oh, I love this game. Again, let's continue on.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video.
In
today's video, we're going to be talking about LFGY and is it the best weekly
His channel
ETF?
used to be called Yield Max and Chill. Now he made it Yield and Chill. Now he's going to tell us the next chippy and this. And look at all the views they get. I don't get a lot of views because I don't talk about this garbage. Okay? So he's slowing down. He's losing the mojo. We're going to lose another one. Another one to the where are they now? Where are they now? Gone. We lost this one. We lost this guy. He was the first one I ever made fun of. He hasn't made a video in 11 months. Okay? Now, he was so monotone and beta male.
All right, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Investor. And in today's video, we're going to go over my M1 Finance portfolio and why I sold out of.
Look, he has my HOA in his portfolio.
Tesla in here and might actually have to sell some more positions. This portfolio I consider a little bit more conservative than my Robinhood portfolio, where I have lower distributions but more room.
He didn't make it. Gone. Poof, gone. Then there was the Canadian kid. I don't even remember his name. Okay, gone. Gone. All the high yield maniacs. SoCal Stevo, the most mysterious. Remember SoCal? He used to do the round hill, round up stuff. Oh, no video today. Sorry, guys. No video this morning. I won't be able to do any declaration videos. I'm getting busy. Yield Max won't be posted. Sorry, guys. I lost my phone. Recorded everything. There was an error in the recording. We'll definitely be back with Misty. Happy Thanksgiving. Are you comfortable retiring? This was before. And then, slowly he turned. Slowly he turned. And we look. All the videos are gone. All the videos are gone. So what I say to everyone in Yield Max.
Bring out your dead! Bring out your dead!
All the YouTubers lost their portfolios. Gone. There's Amy. She's trying to make a go of it. Come here. The high yield dividend warriors. Hold on. Where are they? Is that Stacy?
Bring out your dead!
Steve-O! Rod!
Bring out your dead! Here's one. Ninepence.
I'm not dead.
What? Nothing. Here's your ninepence.
That's Yield Max and Chill from Australia.
He says he's not dead.
Yes, he is. I'm not.
He isn't?
Well, he will be soon. He's very ill. I'm getting better.
No, you're not. You'll be stone dead in a moment. Oh, I can't take him like that. It's against regulations.
I don't want to go on the car.
Oh, don't be such a baby. I can't take him.
I feel fine.
You going?
Do us a favour.
It's over.
I can't.
Well, can you hang around a couple of minutes? He won't be long.
No, I've got to go to Robinson's
Yield
at
Max
9
and Chill.
today.
Well, when's your next run?
Thursday.
You think I'll go for a walk?
You're not fooling anyone, you know. Look, isn't there something you can do?
I feel happy. I feel
He feels
happy.
yield.
Oh, thanks very much. Touch off.
A moment for Alex, 9 to 5 freedom. And finally, we close with Stacy.
Let me see here.
Norman?
A couple of thousand.
You like a couple 2,000 shares you have now?
Yeah, a couple of thousand, yeah.
And you're in the 40 range though?
No, about 50.
You're in the 50 range?
Yeah, my average is about $50.
That's where mine is, and I'm losing. This is like Misty all over again. I don't know what I'm going to do here.
No, but
I'm done with these ETFs.
We're still getting our distributions, right?
I don't have as many as you. I don't have that. I only have like 700 shares, but actually it's 1,400 I have.
But the distributions don't make up for the major loss.
Yes,
price.
it's not. I'm not making anything every week. It's paying out pennies for me.
High yield dreams.
Well,
I can't.
Yeah, I mean, my distribution.
This is just brutal.
Because we know how to use margin. Because you don't know how to use margin, well, don't put it on us. Don't even ask us question.